6th standard students, next in our syllabus, integers. Introduction. Sunita's mother has 8 bananas. Sunita has to go for a picnic with her friends. She wants to carry 10 bananas with her. Can her mother give 10 bananas to her? How is possible? Mother is having only 8 bananas. And how she will give 10 bananas to her? She does not have enough. So she borrows 2 bananas from the neighbor to be returned later. After giving 10 bananas to Sunita, how many bananas are left with her mother? Definitely 0, because mother is having 8 bananas and 2 she borrowed from neighbor. So she is not having any banana. Can we say that she has 0 bananas? Yes, we can say. She has no bananas with her but has to return 2 to her neighbor because she borrowed. So when she gets some more bananas, say 6, she will return 2 and be left with 4 only. Clear? Now second situation, Ronald goes to the market to purchase a pen. He has only ₹12 with him, but the pen costs ₹15. And he is having only 12 rupees. The shopkeeper writes ₹3 as due amount from him. He writes ₹3 in his diary to remember Ronald's debit. But how would he remember whether ₹3 has to be given or has to be taken from Ronald? Can he express his debit by some color or sign? So either he will write, I have to take 3 rupees from Ronald. In this way, for every time, if we want to use short key, then so another situation, let's see. Ruchika and Salma are playing a game using a number strip which is marked from 0 to 25 at equal intervals. To begin with, both of them placed a colored token at the 0 mark. 2 colored dice are placed in a bag and are taken out by them one by one. If the die is red in color, the token is moved forward as per the number shown on throwing this die. If it is blue, the token is moved backward as per the number shown. What happened when this die is thrown? The dice are put back into the bag after each move, so that both of them have equal chance of getting either die. The one who reaches the 25th mark first is the winner. They play the game. Ruchika gets the red die and gets a 4 on the die after throwing it. So 4. Now 1, 2, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ruchika is here. Then she thus moves the token to mark 4 on the strip. Salma also happens to take out the red die and wins 3 points, and thus 1, 2, 3. Now, in the second attempt, Ruchika secures 3 points with the red die and Salma gets 4 points with the blue die. So from here, Salma, where she will move backward from here to 1, 1, 2, 3. How is it possible? And Ruchika secures 3 points because she got red. So 1, 2, 3. Where do you think both of them should place their token after the second attempt? Ruchika moves forward and reaches 4 plus 3, that is on the 7th mark. Whereas Salma placed her token at 0 position, but Ruchika objected, saying she should be behind 0. That means here. 4 steps. 1, 2, 3. So 4 steps. She should be behind 0. Salma agreed. But there is nothing behind 0. What can they do? Salma and Ruchika then extended the strip on the other side. What they both have done? They used a blue strip on the other side. Now Salma suggested that she is 1 mark behind 0, so it can be marked as blue 1 behind 0 for blue dice. If the token is at blue 1, then the position behind blue 1 is blue 2. Similarly, blue 3 is behind blue 2. In this way, they decided to move backward. Another day while playing, they could not find blue paper. So, Ruchika said, let us use a sign on other side as we are moving in opposite direction. So, you see we need to use a sign going for numbers less than 0. Okay, the sign that is used in the placement of minus sign attached to the number, that means behind 0. This indicates that number with a negative sign are less than 0, and these are called negative numbers. So we know the definition of natural numbers. All positive numbers are called natural numbers, and if in the collection of natural numbers we include 0, then new collection we will get, that is called whole numbers. Now today we will talk about negative numbers behind 0. Let's see next activity. Who follows me? We have seen from the previous examples that a movement to the right is made if the number by which we have to move is positive. If a movement of only 1 is made, we get the successor of the number. Definitely we know the successor of 9 is 10 plus 1 we add always. Write the succeeding number of the following: 10, 11, 8, 9, minus 5. That means minus 5. In minus 5, if we will add 1, then what will be happen? We will subtract 1. So less than 1 number is minus 4. Successor of minus 3 will be minus 2. Because after 0, left hand side of 0, behind the 0, we take number minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So successor of minus 5 will be minus 4, and minus 3 will be minus 2, and 0, the successor of 0 will be 1, because 0 is here. After 0, 1. A movement to the left is made if the number by which the token has to move is negative. If a movement of only 1 is made to the left, we get the predecessor of number. Left side, predecessor. Right side, successor. Now write the preceding number of the following. Before predecessor number: before 10, 9, before 8, 7, before 5, 4, before 3, 2, before 0, minus 1. Now see here, take me with a sign. We have seen that some numbers carry a minus sign. For example, if we want to show Ronald's due amount to the shopkeeper, we would write it as minus 3. Because Ronald has to pay 3 rupees to the shopkeeper. Okay, so minus 3. Following is an account of a shopkeeper which shows profit and loss from the sale of certain items. Since profit and loss are opposite situations, and if profit is represented by plus sign, loss can be represented by negative sign. Some of the situations where we may use these signs are: mustard oil, rupees 150, profit of rupees 150, representation with proper sign, plus 150, rice, loss, minus 250, black pepper. In this way you can do. the height of a place above sea level is denoted by a positive number. Okay, so height becomes lesser and lesser is as we go lower and lower. Thus below the surface of the sea level we can denote the height by a negative number. If earnings are represented by plus sign, then the spanning may be shown by a negative sign. Similarly, temperature above 0 degree Celsius is denoted by plus sign and temperature below 0 degree centigrade is denoted by negative sign. For example, the temperature of place 10 degree below 0 degree. So we will write minus 10 degree. Now see here, try this. Write the following numbers with appropriate sign. 10 meter below sea level, minus 100 meter, 25 degree above 0 degree Celsius temperature, that means plus 25, below, that means minus any 5 numbers less than 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So we can, that means behind the number you will take. Okay. So till here we have seen the importance of negative numbers also, and those numbers are called integers. Now in detail definition of integers we will learn. Now see here, the first numbers to be discovered were natural numbers, that is I already explained 1, 2, 3, 4. If we include 0 to the collection of natural numbers, we get a new collection that is called whole numbers. You have studied these numbers in the earlier chapter. Now we find that there are negative numbers also. If we put the whole numbers and the negative numbers together, then the collection of numbers will look like this. Negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So that in this way we get new collection of the numbers, and this collection of numbers is known as integers. In this collection 1, 2, 3, 4 are said to be positive integers, and with negative sign, negative integers. Now we will see the geometrical representation of numbers. Let us understand this by the following figures. Let us suppose that the figures represent the collection of numbers written against them. Now see here, natural numbers 0, that means, so whole numbers we are showing with rectangle symbol, negative numbers triangle, and integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentagon. Then the collection of integers can be understood by the following diagram in which all the earlier collections are included. See here, natural numbers, 0, whole numbers, negative numbers. Then we are getting a big collection that is called integers. Now see here, representation of integers on number line. Number line, whenever we are drawing number line, midpoint we take 0, and right hand side of the 0 we take always positive numbers, and left hand side of the 0 we always take negative numbers. Draw a line and mark some points at equal distance on it is shown in the figure. So with the help of ruler we can mark a point as 0 on it. Points to the right of 0 are positive integers and are marked plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, etc. Or simply 1, 2, 3, etc. Points to the left of 0 are negative integers and are marked minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. In order to mark minus 6 on this line, we move 6 points to the left of 0. That means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4. And here minus 6 we will show. In order to mark plus 2, that means right hand side of the 0, plus 2. We move 2 points to the right of 0. Now see on the next page. ordering of integers. Raman and Imran live in a village where there is a step well. There are in all 25 steps down to the bottom of the well. One day, Raman and Imran went to the well and counted 8 steps down to water level. They decided to see how much water would come in the well during rains. They marked 0 at the existing level of water and marked 1, 2, 3, 4 above that level for each step. After the rains, they noted that the water level rose up to the 6th step. After a few months, they noticed that the water level had fallen 3 steps below the 0 mark. They started thinking about marking the steps to note the fall of water level. Can you help them? Suddenly, Raman remembered that at one big dam he saw numbers marked even below 0. Imran pointed out that there should be some way to distinguish between numbers which are above 0 and below 0. Then Raman recalled that the numbers which were below 0 had minus sign in front of them. So they marked 1 step below 0 as -1 and 2 steps below 0 as -2 and -3, -4, -5, so on. So the water level is now at -3, 3 steps below 0. After that, due to further use, the water level went down by 1 step and it was at -4. You can see that -4 is less than -3. Keeping in mind the above example, fill in the boxes using greater and smaller sign. Below 0 steps you can see, above 0 that means positive. Now first try this. Mark 3, 7, -4, -8, -1 and -3 on the number line. So easily you can mark. Suppose that number line you will draw in this way. Clear? So after number line, suppose you want to show 3. So right hand positive number, so 3. 7 positive, -4 negative, -8 negative, -1 negative, -3. So on one number line you can show so many numbers. Clear? Now see here which is less and which number is greater. 0 and -1. But one thing you will keep in your mind, left hand side we always take negative numbers, those are less than 0. So 0 is greater than -1. See here, -50, -70. -50 will come first here, and the symbol is in. If we think in your mind 50 and 70, if plus sign is there, always 70 is greater than 50. If we will put negative sign, so opposite sign we will use. So -50 is greater than -70, 0 is greater than minus, and -50 is greater than. Now -53, -5. So -5 will come first here. So -5 is greater than -53. -100, 101. Now you can see 100 and 101. 100 is smaller than, but -100 greater than. 50, obviously here very easy, positive and negative, so always positive number is greater than negative number. Here, now see on the next page, let us once again observe the integers which are represented on the number line. See here, we know that 7 is greater than 4. And from the number line shown above, we observe that 7 is to the right of 4. 4 is greater than 0. So 4 is right side of 0. Greater number will be right side of the smaller number. The main thing is this. Now since 0 is to the right of -3, you can see. So 0 is greater than -3. Again -3 is right of -8. So -3 is greater than -8. Thus we see that on number line the number increases as we move to the right and decreases as we move to the left hand side. Therefore -3 is less than -2, -2 is less than -1, -1 is less than 0, 0 is less than 1, 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 4, and so on. Hence the collection of integers can be written as negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Now try this. Compare the following pairs of numbers using greater and smaller sign. So 0. 0 is right side of -8. So 0 is greater than -8. Here 5 is greater than positive. Here 6 is greater than. And here -1, -15. So -1 you will take here and -15. That means right side is minus of -15. So -1 is greater than -15. And here we know, here also very easy. From the above exercise, Rohini arrived at the following conclusions. Every positive integer is larger than every negative integer. Yes. 0 is less than every positive integer. Yes. 0 is larger than every negative integer. Yes. 0 is neither a negative integer nor a positive integer. Yes. Farther a number from 0 on the right, larger is its value. 0. Distance. 1 is greater than 0, then 2 is greater than. If we will move farther, then we get greater number. Farther, a number from 0 on the left side is smaller is its value. Do you agree with her? With her? Give example. So example is every positive integer is larger than, so -5 and 5 we can take. So -5 is less than 5. 0 is less than every positive integer. That means 0 smaller than, so 3 greater than 0. 0 is larger than every negative integer. That means -3 is less than 0. 0 we never put any sign, and here larger 8, and here -8 we can take. Now we'll see next situation. Suppose Ruchika's token is 82. Okay. At the next turn, she gets a red die which after throwing gives a number 3. That means 3 steps right hand side, so 5. It means she will move 3 places to the right of 2, thus she comes at 5. If on the other hand Salma was at 1 and drawn a blue die which gave her number 3, that means 3 steps backward side, then it means she will move on the left by 3 places and stand at, see here, 1, 2, 3, that means -2. By looking at the number line, answer the following questions.